Hello everyone!
Again, another unboxing. This time of the brand new Sony InZone H7.
I think they're ugly.
Yeah, they're really ugly, but they are new and
Oh, do you know like Baymax? I think they kind of look like
like
it.
what?
Like Baymax.
What's
It's like a
Baymax?
movie. You're too old for this, but it's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. So today
That's so nice of you.
Psst. So today we're going to unbox the Sony H7.
It's called InZone, you know,
InZone?
because you're in your own zone.
Oh, there's the InZone. I've never.
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, it's like the new gamer logo of Sony
Mm,
because all gamers try to be cool, you know.
Yeah, it's a wireless gaming headset.
Yeah.
Just in case you didn't know. And
it
there.
looks just as ugly as their new Bluetooth headphone.
Focus.
Okay, maybe put your hand there.
Neil. And now we. Now it has like a crack inside.
Just destroyed. I don't care.
Okay. Oh, I didn't show the back. Did you see that? It's like a PC software or something, logical
Yeah,
PC.
so Sony has their InZone hub. Yeah.
Oh, you have like a USB transceiver.
Yeah, of course you have one.
Oh my god!
That's like
That's so cool.
these ones always come with the gaming headsets because they're like better data transmission rate than Bluetooth. Bluetooth is just too slow.
Look, it's like 40 hours of like playtime or something. It has Bluetooth and something, whatever that is. And
Don't start reading from the box again.
And it's Discord certified.
Yeah,
oh
that's just
gosh.
like something they can label on everything. It's Discord certified. Like you can buy a €5.
Oh my god, no!
I don't care. Just open it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I won't keep the box anyway.
Packaging.
Yeah.
Ta-da. I don't know.
Okay, so maybe that's. Does that look nicer?
I'm not sure.
Me too.
Don't touch it.
Oh, don't touch it. It's mine. I paid for it.
Do. Touch it. Do. Ta-da! Oh look, there's some logos. Oh, you can like you have a cube.
It's like a manual how to do it, like with your PlayStation, maybe. You have like, on the transmitter. You have like a PC and PS5 button.
Now to the actual headphones. Yeah.
So I guess you get your
I want to
charging cable.
The charging cable.
Of course, it's USB-C.
It's USB-C.
Yeah, anything else would be just awful. Okay, what's that?
I think it's a manual thing
It's the paper stuff.
that no one reads. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, but the packaging doesn't seem like
No,
nice.
the packaging
It's so
is
cheap.
really cheaply made. It's not like a nice box. It's just like some paper stuff.
You get stickers.
Okay, at least you get some stickers. I guess that's fine.
There's a Sony. No, it's there. Sony, an InZone, and a blue InZone. They're pretty nice.
Okay.
Look at the stickers.
Yeah, anything else is just the menu stuff.
Yeah,
I
let's
want
show
to
them.
touch. I want to touch it. Touch the headphone.
Don't touch it. Do. Ta-da. Oh look. Oh, you can't drink with them. I guess.
What you can drink with? Oh my god!
You see, it's
so-
important.
You don't want to destroy your Sony InZone. Don't drink and game.
I think it's because of the cable. It's like if you're in a bathing tub and you kind of like have like electronics, you can die maybe.
Yeah. Also, you can destroy your headphone.
So if you,
It's not waterproof.
it's not waterproof.
Okay. Let's get these things out here.
Oh, there's the transmitter.
Okay.
It's a little thing.
Yeah. The headphone is kind of more exciting than the transmitter.
It's not.
Okay. So I don't know. The packaging is just like really not good.
I don't really like it. Seriously.
Like I've bought headsets from Cooler Master for like 50 or 60 euro, and these are packaged like way better. Well, this costs like 200, and it's just like cheaply made cardboard box. But maybe it's like ecological, like, you know, you can like just recycle everything.
Yeah. How much was it?
200.
I don't know, but I want to feel some quality. Even though you make it like sustainable or something, you can still make it like prettier. I don't know. And even the design, what is it? What is that?
I will thoroughly talk about that in the review.
Kinda
How ugly these are.
Yeah, and I thought they were like white, but this is some ugly gray.
Like
gray.
It's like space gray. Yeah, these look like what you would wear in space, like in movies from the 80s.
Oh, there's like a little switch that you can switch. Ta-da! You want to hear the sound?
Oh, it's some ASMR. Please don't destroy my Switch.
Oh yeah, we didn't show the. You can like turn it down, and there you have some. Oh my God,
I think it's like flip and mute, like when you.
Oh.
You know, the click is like, oh, microphone's activated, deactivated,
yeah,
and so that's actually pretty nice.
Kind of feel like balloons. This one. I don't know. It feels weird.
It feels nice on your like ears. It does smell normal, I guess.
Yeah, but they have.
Yeah, just a little bit chemical.
So yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. So maybe let's put this away, and we're just like putting here. What do you get? Get the headphone. Get your charging cable.
I like the stickers are the best thing of everything.
And you get your stickers.
And the manual thing where you can't drink.
Can't drink and game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's so important, so you kind of dehydrate.
Yeah, but maybe Sony just wants you to die.
I don't know.
Okay.
So that's for the unboxing. Maybe you have the headphones. Just write in the comments how you like them and what you thought they look like, and if you like them.
Do you think these look good?
Maybe it's a new fashion stable, like label or whatever. So yeah, that's for the unboxing. Maybe we see you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.